The Fall Film Festival season isn't just about red carpets, it's a crucial marketplace where the next Oscar winners are bought and sold. A key deal making headlines is Roadside Attractions' acquisition of the Claire Foy drama H is for Hawk, positioning it for a major awards push this winter. At the center of the action is the New York Film Festival and its strategic leader Lincoln Center President Daniel Battsek. Battsek, a veteran who backed classics like There Will Be Blood, sees the festival as a vital launchpad for the most anticipated films of 2025. One of those high-profile premieres comes from Bradley Cooper, with his third directorial feature, Is This Thing On? But the film is drawing criticism for being self-indulgent and overlong, proving that even for Hollywood's biggest stars, passion projects are a significant gamble. Beyond premieres, the festival stage is also a platform for powerful advocacy. Martin Scorsese made a passionate call for streaming services to champion Iranian cinema sitting, alongside director Jafar Panahi, who vowed to keep creating despite political pressure. This focus on artistic integrity echoes in the stories behind other festival films, like the new Julia Roberts thriller After the Hunt. The film's writer revealed that director Luca Guadagnino insisted on changing her original ending to create a harsher and more realistic conclusion. This clash of visions highlights the intense collaboration and compromise that shapes the films we see on screen. From market deals to creative debates, the fall festivals offer a fascinating snapshot of the forces driving the business and art of cinema today.